Hello Chemistry 10H8 students, last page. This one should be probably the easiest page, I think. So which one's spherical? That's S. Corresponds to L is equal to 4, that is F. Has 5 orbitals, that is D. And can only have ML is equal to 0, that is S. So shortened electron configurations, carbon is in the second row of the periodic table. So then copper is, let's see, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 into the D block after argon. I can't really move anything around, so I just have to leave it as is. Then I have copper with a 2+ charge, so I'm just removing 2 electrons. So sulfur is in the third row of the periodic table after neon. And it would normally be 3p4, but because it gets those 2 additional electrons, it's 3p6. If you would want to say that that is argon, that is fine. I do think leaving it as neon is the better option. And then zinc, I believe that is 10 into the D block on the fourth row. But because of the fact that it is 2+ charge, because I would be removing it from a completely full D shell, I'm actually going to remove it from S, so 4s0. You could also not write the 4s0. That would be fine as well. If you wanted to leave it like this, that would be 5. And then fluoride is in the second row. Okay. And then last question, how are 3p and 3p and 3d subshells similar? So they are in the same principal energy level, meaning that their average distance from the nucleus is approximately the same. There's a lot of different ways you could say that they are different. I'm just going to talk about shape. You could also talk about how the fact that the p subshell has 3 orbitals versus D that has 5. You could talk about the fact that p has up to 6 electrons, where D could have up to 10. Your answers might vary here, so long as you get something down. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and good luck on your test.